Under the mistletoe, under 홍석스토어.
Hello, welcome to my channel where not a lot happens. Please enjoy my video and comment suggestions below.
When Katy Perry released her hit song Firework in 2010 and asked us if we had ever felt like a plastic bag, that was a defining moment of our generation. But as I've grown older and I've thought about it, I've realized that the key difference between me and a plastic bag is that while it takes a plastic bag over 1,000 years to break down, it only takes me a couple of seconds.
Hard work, not another day's of work. Hard work, hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, I earn my pay.
Alright, I'm done. Let go. No. No pouting. I'm gonna let go. Okay.
I love myself! Nanunga dala dala, yeah. I love myself! Nanunga dala dala, yeah. Nunga dala dala. Bad, I'm sorry I'm bad. I'm just the way I am. Mala! Sayang nada, mara, dale, chima. Take care of the sayang. I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
When I was told that 2020 was supposed to be a movie, I did not expect nor ask for Lemony Snicket's A Series of Unfortunate Events.
Lassù in montagna, oh bella ciao, 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 seppellire lassù in montagna, sotto l'ombra di un bel fior, 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 fior.
I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hello, my honey. Hello, my lady. Hello, my ragtime gal.
This bee is just sitting on its butt, facing me, with its arms crossed, just staring at me. Are we on a date?
My arm sticks to the radiator, and I just put it on my radiator, and then it sticks, and now it's cooking, cause it's a warm orange on my radiator.
But this won't make us fall. There is still one man we can call. Danny DeVito.
You know, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with
Quicksand. More like slow sand. I'm not moving anywhere.
Okay, so I heard on Facebook that there's a guy in my neighborhood with a gun being chased down by cops. And I'd just like to say I can very much protect myself. You're not the only one with a gun, bitch. It's nerf for nothing, motherfucker. I won't hesitate.
money got me wearing.
Okay, my cat has this box, and I just saw this little thing under here, and he won't let me lift the flap up. Because underneath here, he won't let me lift it up. Because underneath there's a picture of a cat.
Mr. Sandman.
Bro, she's unloading her nuts on Graydon. I'm fucking dead, bro.
So I saw the new TikTok trend where you find out your spirit name by getting the 4th letter of your eye color, the 2nd letter of your name, the 3rd letter of your birth month, the 4th letter of your favorite drink, and then the 1st letter of your favorite animal. So that gives me... This is some bullshit.
I saw someone who had their old DS and from 2007, and they had a flip note or whatever this is called, and it said coronavirus. Listen to what mine says from 2014. As you can see, I fell down the stairs.
Guys, this claw machine has literally been playing itself the past like 5 minutes. Check this out. It just moves on its own, and it's just been playing like back and forth every single play. Look, okay, there it goes. No way. Did it just pick something up?
I'm learning more and more about materials in this world. I've realized I could make images with these utensils. So with my mind's artistic capabilities, I'm going to make a self-portrait. I've succeeded.
Nice dog you got there. Mine's better. Come along now, Buttercup. We're going down the stairs. How you doing there, buddy?
I'm doing great, brother.
You are literally chilling with a seal. This seal is sleeping on you, bro.
Hey, man, this is my brother right here, man. He's okay.
Mots has some explaining to do. Assorted fruit. Assorted fruit. What is this? That's a fucking carrot. That's not a fruit.
Yo, so I peeped this pack of Twizzlers said Izzlers, and I was like, why? Where's the T? Bro. What is... This makes me so uncomfortable! Police! Johnny, are you vicious? Are you vicious? Let's see. Grrr. Grrr. Grrr.
Alright, TikTok. We were bored in quarantine just like all of y'all, and we found a huge box of these Pixie Stick carrot things. So we got bored and we just started filling them up in this bowl. Nothing else to do, just chilling around. Our dad came and said we look like we were doing coke because it looks just like it.
There's a billion people on this planet that you could bother, but for some reason you chose me. I wish I could give you the attention that you ordered, but I just don't have the energy. And maybe I'm the one that's being over dramatic, but I don't think so. I do know for a fact though that you're a definite coward, and I think it might be time for you to go. You're a sour little boy with a fragile masculinity.
How much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well.